Hey guys, what's going on? Rob from ClicksGeek, and in today's video I'm going to run through a high converting landing page that we deploy for our mobile windshield repair clients. This page converts at over 40%, usually hovers between 43 and 46, which is obviously insane, and that's great. But this page is super dialed in, and it's exactly where we want to be in this niche. So what you're looking at right now is inside of our landing page software builder, which we use as Instapage. And if you don't know what Instapage is, or if you want to build landing pages, Instapage is one of the most drag and drop easy landing page softwares that there is. So I'll drop a link for that in the description too, so you can get a 14-day free trial and play around with it. But that's what you're looking at in case you're wondering like what all this stuff is, or desktop mobile type stuff. All right. So this landing page is really simple. Logo, main headline, sub headline, get a free quote, which is actually a pop-up. So it pops up to this when someone clicks that. Name, email, phone, interested in. So we have windshield repair, window repair, chip, crack, scratch repair, other. Tell us about your issue. So these forms are legit. They're not just getting someone's email and converting at 40%. This whole long form is 40%. Then we have a click to call here. I should preface that this page is designed for mobile traffic. 95% of the traffic we're pushing to this page is mobile. So people are on their phones, which makes sense when you see all the click to call buttons. So not much desktop is coming to this. And then we have our services, a little how it works, and then there's a content block here about how the specific windshield repair guy does his job, and a little bit about his company with an image about maybe an image of him here or his team or whoever. Then we hit him with the trust. And this is a great place too to drop like BBB logos or whatever other awards they have right below this line. Then we do some happy customer stuff. We do a few their team installing different windshields and fixing chips and cracks and stuff right there. Then we come down here and we do some social proof with some Yelp reviews or Facebook or Google or whatever. It doesn't matter as long as they're screenshots of legitimate reviews from a social or review network. And then we just close it out with a final call to action and a click to call. So that's really it. This page, like I said, it converts in the 40s. It's pretty crazy. Now let me show you the mobile version. So if we come up here, hit mobile, it kind of takes us over to the mobile editing version. And this is what people are going to see on their phone. So you can see here is when they click this, it's going to hit the pop up again, pops up, and they have a chance to either immediately submit the form or to click this to call to. Then they come down here, click the call button. It's the same layout. Services, how it works, customers, social proof, and the final call to action. So this is really simple, guys, and simple is always better. This is just the way. This is the way you got to build your pages. It doesn't really matter what niche you're in. This layout, the design, everything, it just works. And the colors doesn't matter. You can swap out colors or background images. I don't know if you can see here. There's like a faded picture of windshield, like just dumb stuff like that. But this stuff is just drag and drop. It's easy, and anyone can do it. So these are the kind of pages you want to be using if you're running pay-per-click traffic, especially in Google Ads, because you gotta have, with how much click costs are, you gotta have landing pages that convert. Like you gotta aim for at least 20%. If you're above 20%, you can usually have a healthy ROI AdWords campaign or Google Ads or whatever. So that's important to keep in mind. And landing pages is literally 90% of that battle. Making the campaigns is not hard. It's pretty easy actually. It's especially if you just do it the correct way. And we have a course for building AdWords campaigns and stuff like that. So I'll drop a link for that in the description below this video too. But besides that, this is it. Kind of take this, and I'll drop a link for this example URL in the description too, so you can actually pull it up and look at the landing page yourself and take anything you need from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you're interested in learning more about creating high converting landing pages, or if you want some more specific examples of high converting pages, check out another link I'm going to put in the description. It's below this video. I've dropped a few links, including the ones I mentioned, but this one is in detail. It's called Landing Page Academy, and it's a course we sell where we show you how to build these landing pages and just turn them out, how to optimize them, how to A/B test them, how to do all that stuff to make sure they're converting at the highest possible rate for you guys. All right, so like I said, I'll drop those in the links below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.